Today we thank God for your wonderful birth and life that have impacted us as Cranebone Zone. Your covering and your grace has sustained us together with our families. You are a repairer of broken relationships and families. Your works of charity has put smiles on our faces. Philanthropically, you have sent our kids to school as well as sheltered our widows and the less privileged. With you, Mom, we are not afraid of the future, no matter how bleak it may seem sometimes. You are our anchor and guide. We honor you today, Mom. We celebrate you, our only covering. We are proud of you, Mom. You are our heroine and the living legend. Forever live our mother.
Happy birthday